Have you been looking for a luxury waterfront home on Lake St. Clair? Well, my newest listing sits on almost an acre and offers 80 foot of unobstructed lake views. Come take a look. This luxurious waterfront home offers 3 fireplaces, a large family room with vaulted ceilings, and updated dining room. The 4 new sliding doors offer panoramic views of Lake St. Clair and all-around access to the new cedar decking and full tiki bar, all great for entertaining. The 2 boat hoists and jet ski hoists are great for all your summer water fun. And when that's all said and done, check out downtown New Baltimore for its great dining, boutique shopping, and waterfront parks. Thanks for touring this beautiful waterfront home with me. Stay tuned for upcoming open house details, or if you'd like your own personal tour, feel free to reach out to me.